Wow, nasad kami. Sana all naka-electric fan. Sana all si Arky naka-electric fan. Abo ka ta? Wow mo baby. Iinitan. Kainit ng alis nga sa hangin guys. Si Arky lang ang electric fan. Ayaw po iya yung electric fan. Kainit tayo eh. Ang nagkujud. Ang nagkuyud. Init na kaayo dari. Summer vibes in Qatar. Init eh. No, tita. Because I have my electric fan. Pero si mama ang init. I think hindi mo na-feel yung init? Or feel mo, okay?
Tapos, maputok-putok na yun.
Sorry na mo si RK kay na board na sa balay. Irritable na si baby. So, hindi na niya ma-expose outside. Ikaw na na-swipe, King. Oh, give tita. Thank you. Come, Arky. Come. Wow. Tayo na. Minsan na bata ba? Mga na Arky. Kanang card. Look at it. Where are you going, Arky? Where are you going, Bebe? In the park. In the park, we will play. Arky, oh, look at the mirror. Oh.
The White Palace passengers are reminded not to
Hawa na dyan sa stroller. Gusto na maglakaw. Sige, dagan, Arky. Kami nga naman. Kami na lang itabilan dari guys. So kami na lang niabot dari. So dark. Ang gawas mi para kang arcade. Kay para lahi nasad na environment iya makita. Kay mabagot na sa ng mata kung permira sa balay. Lalang tawa ang muno. Circle kayo. Ano nagibalita ka? Agi ka sa Facebook. Look at the moon. Yung walking sa park. The stroller. Pagkamong bata. Among baby. Arky, ito na to sa playground ni mo na. Yes. Gabi na guys. So yung oras na ganito eh? It's 8 p.m. in the evening. Nawa ang park. Alvida Park. Kapag gani kabot sa playground na mo bata excited naman. Arky oh! Say hi! Hi guys! Hi guys! I'm gonna play guys! Tapang ako. Ang stroller guys! Hi! Aborido na mo baby! May nakahanap na kalaro si Arky. Kasabay na sa trip. Diba? Obat na ba? Kaya pakiran Arky! Ala, mali mo nakasabay ang chicks dito, oh. Uli na. Ang bata, wag pa nakuha ng energy. Oy, Arky! Arky, come here! Dali na, uli na ta. Arky! Ang Arky to. Ang bayanan. Dapat yung nanguli ko eh. Hi, Arky! Love, love, tita Arky. Love you, Arky. I love you, Arky. I love you. You love tita? Arky, you love tita Arky? Yes, what you see? What is you watching? What do you watch now, Arky? The Wiggles! The Wiggles! We're watching the Wiggles, guys! Kiss tita, kiss tita, kiss tita. Mwah! Love you. Mwah! Love you too. Mwah! You love tita. Mwah! One more. Mwah! How about you? Mwah! You wanna kiss tita? Mwah! 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 Love you. Mwah! Hi, come. Hi, guys. It's only me and tita here. We're only two here. Hi. And I'm getting bored. That's why I always jump. Look at me, oh. I'm still jumping now. I'm not tired. Hi. Later we will go out. I need to release my energy outside. Playground. Right, Arky? Baby, smile. Yay, drum. The Wiggles. My struggle here, guys, every morning is washing dishes with hot water. Hot water, Judiri. Hot water. Hey, baby, what you doing there? And may makulit pa na bata dito. Arky, no, go back to your room. Go back to the room na. No, it's not for you. Hi guys, I'm opening our cabinet here. Oh, ouch, si tita sakit. No. Go there, go back to your room. Okay. Tita will wash the dishes first, okay? Stay there, Arky. Play first. Hey. Hindi kayo ang tubig diri, guys. Wala sila ibang, hindi pareho sa winter na ay hot water. Pero kung summer, wala yung cold water. So, that's why my struggle here is hot water. Tawa ninyo, guys, na nagiwat ng baby, oy. Nga asaro ni Anhi diri, nag-ukay-ukay. Sa may imong gikuan diha, Arky. Sabi mo gunitan diha, baby. Tawa si baby. Arky. Are you still okay there? Baby, Arky. Tapos napatulungan din ako pagpaon. Hindi na siya milk. Oy, nga na nag-crawl naman ka diha. Di balik pa ka pag-crawling. Arky. Oh. Ang sajud na. Crawl na po. Arky. Ay. Anong crawl man diha mo, bebe? Ayaw diha, baby. Nakon. Let's go back to the room. Go back to our room na. Let's go back to the room. Come. Yeah, go back. We will go back to our room. Baba Star. Dorothy. Nagpatulog na ako, guys, kang Arky. Nap time. On the sun. Makatulog man siya love songs, guys. And that is sa'yo, Papa, Mama, Titas. Music lover si Arky, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you. Nap time ni Arky is mga noon, and then sa hapon po, mga late 4, nagnap siya. Favorite drink, milk! 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 Sweet na. O, dawet, hello, hi! Bye, guys! Magnap na muna ako. Hi, doggy, guys! And my favorite, 2 pillows. Nap muna mo, baby. Nap muna. Seryoso? Drinks, chicken, and the shrimp. Here in the park. Chicken. And our shrimp. Hi. Party. Gusto naman ang na-stroller key.
Yan na. Pinapi ko na ko.
Oo, feel na feel. Oh, di ba?
Kaya naon na dahil pag gusto niya mo higda.
Oo.
Hindi man makahigda.
Gusto naman na key.
Mukha mo gusto niya stress.